Welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to talk about Samsung Galaxy's S25 Ultra upcoming device that's generating a lot of buzz. Let's dive into the details of its design. The design of Samsung's new device is making waves with its striking titanium gold color. This choice of color not only adds a touch of luxury, but also makes the device stand out with its sophisticated and modern appearance. Titanium gold combines the robustness of titanium with a gleaming high-end finish, elevating the overall aesthetic of the device. One of the most notable design features is the incredibly thin symmetrical bezels. Bezels are the borders around the screen, and reducing their thickness has become a key focus in modern device design. Samsung has achieved a new milestone by making these bezels the thinnest ever seen on one of their devices. This design choice significantly enhances the visual appeal by allowing the screen to dominate the front of the device, creating an almost bezel-less display. The impact of these thin, symmetrical bezels is twofold. Firstly, they provide a more immersive viewing experience. With less of the screen being obscured by bezels, you get a more expansive and uninterrupted display area, which is ideal for watching videos, playing games, or simply browsing. Secondly, the symmetrical bezels contribute to a more balanced and aesthetically pleasing look. The uniformity in the bezel size on all sides of the screen gives the device a sleek, modern appearance that aligns with current design trends. Overall, the combination of the titanium gold color and the ultra-thin bezels sets a new standard for device design, emphasizing both style and functionality. The device also boasts a lightweight frame, making it easy to handle and comfortable to use. In terms of design, it features a flat frame that resembles the style found on Apple's iPhone models. This flat frame design not only enhances the device's modern aesthetic, but also provides a sturdy and balanced feel. Release date. The release of Samsung's new device is eagerly awaited and is scheduled for early next year. Although the exact date of the launch hasn't been disclosed, it's expected to fall between January and March. This early year timing is common among tech companies for several strategic reasons. First, releasing a new device in early January allows Samsung to capitalize on the heightened consumer interest following the holiday season. After the gift-giving period, many consumers are ready to invest in new technology, making it an ideal time for a product launch. Additionally, this period helps companies avoid the crowded end-of-year market and the competition with other major holiday releases. Second, launching between January and March aligns with the timing of major tech events and industry trends. Early in the year, tech conferences and trade shows such as CES, Consumer Electronics Show, in Las Vegas provide a platform for companies to showcase their latest innovations. By releasing their device during this period, Samsung can leverage the increased media attention and industry buzz generated by these events. Furthermore, early year releases give companies a head start in the annual sales cycle. It allows them to build momentum and establish their product in the market before competitors release their new offerings later in the year. As the anticipated release window approaches, Samsung will likely refine and announce specific launch details. Staying updated through official channels like Samsung's website and press releases, as well as industry news sources, will provide the most accurate information about the exact release date and availability. As the launch date gets closer, Samsung is likely to provide more specific details about the release. This will include announcements on pre-orders, availability in various regions, and official release events. Keeping up with Samsung's official channels, such as their website and social media profiles, will be crucial for the latest information. Additionally, tech news outlets and blogs will be following the release closely, so staying updated through these sources can help you be among the first to know when the device becomes available. If you're planning to purchase this device, it might be a good idea to set reminders for pre-order dates or official announcements to ensure you don't miss out. In summary, while we have a general window of early next year, the precise release details will become clearer as we approach the date. To recap, Samsung's new device features a stunning titanium gold color, ultra-thin bezels, a lightweight and flat-frame design, and a dedicated S Pen slot. With a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset and a release expected early next year, it's definitely something to look forward to. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.